What have we got here? Got some big Triffid-like pumpkins here. Got a tallish tomato coming through. The little yellow flowers there are tomato flowers, so those will be lovely. Thank you. That big yellow flower here, that's potentially could be a pumpkin. Yep, it's got some other sort of old plants. I can't even remember what that one is. Maybe some broccolis. Broccoli, or are they radishes? I think those are radishes. Been eaten quite a bit. The tomato plant. We've got this big sort of run of the pumpkin going along the floor, which reduces all the space. There's nothing coming from that pot, but that should be, this one here should be chili, but it's nothing yet. I think these are broccoli. Got some basil there. That was one from the house and we cut it down loads. It's grown up again. What's this? It's a tall tomato plant again. Because these are kind of floppy, I've kind of just tied them up a little bit to help steady them a bit or a lot. Some more tomatoes, kind of triffidy. And then there's a massive pumpkin in the corner there, which has got this really long leading frond, or whatever it's called, coming out, which is kind of cool. And then the beetroots are over here. So I've already harvested some of the beetroots. They're not going to be massive beetroots, but yeah, not massive beets, apart from that one. And then, yeah, so you can see, hopefully, yeah, there's a little bit of what's going on with the leaf. So, yeah, that's a beetroot in there. I'll have to research it a bit for next time, see if I'm supposed to remove 2 out of the 4 leaves or something like that to help the sustenance go into the actual beets themselves. But yeah, this long frond from the pumpkin has splurted out a lovely flower down here. So, and that's where I'll leave it for this evening. One more thing is, when I used to be a little tot, we used to live in Tanzania, and we had a massive avocado tree right next to our house. We used to love having the fresh avocados there in the right sort of season. So I've tried to grow an avocado in this country. It's been up in my bedroom for quite a while, but my wife's noticed some little critters, little insects on the leaves, so she wants to dump it outside. I'm just wondering how to try and alleviate it from the little bugs that are on the top leaves, because I want to prove her wrong and everyone wrong by growing an avocado in England. And maybe I might have to grow it in the polytunnel, but I might have to grow it in my bedroom, much to the annoyance of my wife, which I think might be quite funny to do. So if you've got any advice for me, please, ideally from Monty Don or anyone else who's got a good experience similar to Monty Don, if not half as good, then that'd be great, on how to grow my avocado tree in England, please.